Do you want to speak English in real life, not just in the classroom? Imagine going to a farmer's market, buying fresh food, and speaking English confidently with sellers. In today's episode, you will learn easy and useful English phrases for shopping, like asking for prices, choosing fruits and vegetables, and paying politely. So get ready to listen, repeat, and speak with us. Let's go shopping in English right now. Welcome back to English Bridge Podcast. Today we're going shopping at a farmer's market. Yes, at the farmer's market, you can buy fresh food and talk to friendly sellers. Let's learn some useful English phrases you can use when shopping. Scene 1. Arriving at the market. Wow, this market looks great. So many fresh fruits and vegetables. Yes, let's start with the fruit stand. Hi, how much are the apples? They are $2 per kilo. Great, I'll take 1 kilo, please. Here you go. Thank you. Scene 2. Vegetable stand. Look, Emma, carrots. Hello, how much are the carrots? They are $1.50 a bunch. That's a good price. Can I have 2 bunches, please? Of course. Emma, don't forget tomatoes. Right. Excuse me, do you have tomatoes? Yes, very fresh. Scene 3. Asking for quantity. How many tomatoes do you want? Maybe 6. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 6 tomatoes, please. Here you are. Thank you. Scene 4. Small talk and paying. The food looks so fresh here. Yes, everything is local. That's wonderful. How much is everything? It's $6 in total. Here you go. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye. Vocabulary review. English phrase. How much is it? Meaning, asking for price. I'll take. To buy something. A bunch. A group of vegetables like carrots. Here you go. Giving something. Practice task for listeners. Say 3 sentences. 1. What fruit do you like? 2. What vegetables do you buy often? 3. Practice saying prices. It's $3. $1.50, please. Outro. Great job today. You learned how to shop in English. Next time you go to a market, try speaking English in your head. See you next time on English Bridge Podcast. Bye.